Um, today I'm gonna teach. Today I'm gonna go over the basic HTML5 document structure. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML I'm telling HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML describe the structure for a web page, and it consists of a series of element that tell the browser how to display the content, element that are represented by tags. Um, um, the browsers does not the browser does not display HTML tags, but use them to render the content. Basically, the browser only display images and text. So I guess it's like a newspaper. It's like a newspaper. Um, but it could be a lot of sites are designed like a newspaper. It's like a magazine. So it's some of it is structured like a magazine. But anyway, right today I'm gonna teach you the bare bones of a basic HTML5 template. So the bare bones of an HTML5 template. The bare bones of an HTML5 template will go like this. So this is the HTML5. Um, this is the doc type. This is the doc type. It stands for document type declaration. Yeah, document type declaration. Document type declaration. The doc type. Uh, uh, hold on a second. It stands for document type declaration. My phone was ringing, so hold on a second. Um, every web page must contain a document type declaration. Um, and every web page must contain these codes right here. So this is the HTML document right here. HTML and HTML and this is have two primary tags. HTML have two primary tags. One is the header and one is the body. The body displays all the content to the web page. The header contains the title tag and the meta tag, encoded tags. So this is the basic structure of an HTML HTML5 boilerplate. Later on, I'll teach you how to about the paragraph. If you save it right now and you reload it in a browser, you won't see nothing. If you save it and you load it in a browser, you won't see nothing. But yeah, I think about you won't see nothing because there's no content in there. But later on, I'll teach you about the paragraph tag, about the main tag, the section tag, the article tag. I teach you what goes inside the header and what kind of tags you how can how could you manipulate the body tag with CSS, and how can you link from the body tag with PHP, React. So I'm gonna do in future videos that's coming up. I will do that, but right now this is just the basic HTML5 um template or document structure, the bare bones, huh? You know what I mean? So this is it right here. So like the video, subscribe. If you like the video, subscribe. If you have any comment, leave it in the comment section. Maybe next video maybe next video I gonna be better than this one. This is my first video, so and just a try a thing. So if you like the video, just subscribe. Yeah, I gotta stop this.